In this video, I will walk you through the simple process of changing your website name on Netlify. Many users find themselves stuck with the random strings of characters and numbers that Netlify assigns by default, but it is actually very easy to customize this to something that reflects your brand or project much better. To get started, go ahead and log into your Netlify dashboard. Once you are on the main landing page, you should see a list of all your active projects. Go ahead and click on the specific website project that you want to rename. This will take you directly to the overview page for that site. From here, take a look at the left-hand navigation menu. You are looking for an option labeled Site Configuration. When you find it, click it to open up a new set of settings. You should automatically land on the General tab. If you look down at the Site Details section, you will see a prominent button that says Change Site Name. Click that button, and a small pop-up window will appear on your screen. Inside the input field, go ahead and type in your new desired name. Keep in mind that this must be a unique name across the entire platform. So if your first choice is taken, you might need to try a variation. Once you have settled on a name that works, just click the Save button. Your website will now have a fresh new URL updated instantly. Thank you so much for watching this quick guide. If you found it helpful, please consider checking out my other tutorials for more web development tips. Have a fantastic day and happy coding.